keyframes in CapCut way to create smooth transitions and dynamic effects. Here's how to use it. Select the clip or text you want to animate and import it and drag it to the timeline like this. You can see the diamond shaped Add Keyframe button right there. Now drag it to the timeline like this and click on the keyframe. You can adjust its duration like this and increase the scale like this. Now add the next keyframe again. Now preview the video and adjust it like this. Select the keyframe, increase its scale like this, and select the next keyframe and decrease the scale like this. Now preview your video. As you can see, its scale is increasing and decreasing between the keyframes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Also subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.